So, given question is asked in GATE CSE 2014. They have given n and p are two unsigned int variable. Okay, and we wish to set p to nc3. It means we want to store value of nc3 in variable p. Okay, if n is large, suppose n is a large number, which one of the following is most likely to set p correctly. Okay, so here if you see, if they are saying n is a large number, so what will happen here? First we will do here n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So here this multiplication and division have same priority, so we will come to associativity, and associativity says for multiplication we will go from left to right. Okay, so first we will calculate n, then we will calculate n minus 1, and then we will do multiplication. So already n is a large number and n minus 1 also will be a large number, and we are doing multiplication of those number. Okay, so it will become also a very large number, and then again we are doing multiplication n minus 2, then it will become also a very large number, so it will set the p incorrectly. Okay, maybe a chance of stack overflow. Okay, so is this option A cannot be a correct answer. And if you see option D, for same reason, because here we are doing almost same process. Okay, and dividing by 6.0, that is a decimal number. Okay, but here also you are doing multiplication of 3 consecutive n into n minus 1 and minus 2, so it will also cause a stack overflow problem. Okay, so D also cannot be a correct option. Now if you see option B and C, here in option C, n into n minus 1 divided by 3. Suppose here in any case, if n is a even number, okay, so if n is a even number, so n minus 1 will be what? N minus will be odd. And if n is a odd number, n minus 1 will be even number. Okay, in both the case, if you see even into odd, okay, always will be what? Even. Okay, so here even into odd will be even, or and if we divide even number divided by 3, that may cause a precision problem. Okay, it may go up to the decimal point, and if we are storing it temporarily, it may cause a precision loss. Okay, so this may cause a precision loss problem. But here if you see, we are dividing by 2. Okay, so if we are dividing even number by 2, this will never generate a decimal point number. Okay, so in that case we will never going to lost anything, so option B could be a correct option, because here we will not get any kind of problem. So in option A and option D we may get stack overflow problem, and here in option C we may get precision loss problem. So our correct option will be option B. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.